Okay. I want the part dressed up properly for the occasion. Yeah, looking good. Yeah. Okay, so I think Aishwarya has prepared a small speech for us. Yeah, thank you,
Yes,
Aishwarya. Thanks for taking out the time and preparing for the speech. Yeah,
you're welcome.
yeah. Okay, Aishwarya, we can start with you.
Sure, ma'am. Good
Thank you.
morning, everyone. Today we gather to celebrate Republic Day, a momentous occasion in our nation's history. On 26 January 1950, India became a republic, adopting its own constitution. This day symbolizes our freedom, unity, and commitment to democratic values. याद रखेंगे वीरों तुमको हरदम ये बलिदान तुम्हारा है हमको तो है जान से प्यारा या गणतंत्र हमारा है इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है झूम उठो देशवासियों गणतंत्र दिवस फिर आया है 76 years ago, this day marked the birth of our country as free republic. We escaped the shackles of colonial rule, entered the bright light of liberty, and emerged as a sovereign nation, standing tall on the pillars of democracy. The sky over India at last belonged to the Indian people, symbolizing not just freedom from British rule, but also the limitless possibilities and dreams that our vibrant nation could now aspire to achieve. Think of the brave freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for this day. Their unwavering courage led the way to freedom, enabling us to stand tall as a proud nation. We owe them a deep depth of gratitude. But Republic Day isn't just about remembering the past, it's about embracing the present and building the future. It's the freedom to learn, to dream big, and to aim high. It's the freedom to speak up and have our voices heard. It's the freedom to be tolerant and to be kind to others. So let's celebrate Republic Day, not just with flags and sweets, but with actions. Let's be responsible citizens, upholding the values of our Constitution. Let us honor each other's differences and celebrate our diversity. After all, India is a country of unity in diversity. And then I want to say that सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी ये गुलिस्तान हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा Happy Republic Day everyone. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Aishwarya. Well presented.
Thank you.
Yeah. Is there anyone else who wants to present on this occasion or wants to say a few words? Yes. Parth, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I haven't prepared anything.
Anything that comes to your mind.
Nothing, just we should strive to serve the country in any possible way we can. Just keep on doing our daily goals, completing it. Nothing else, nothing much about it.
No. Okay, so I think we all are very proud to be Indians, and on the occasion of Republic Day, we should be more responsible citizen towards our country and towards ourselves. So as of now, we would suggest that please make sure that you study well, make proud to your family, to the nation, and contribute towards the progress of the country. Yes. So I think we'll just start with the national anthem for the day. Yes. So let me play the national anthem and we will sing together after a long time. Getting the occasion to sing together. Okay, so let's stand up and sing national anthem. Yes.
Jaya Jaya Jaya.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, all the students. Happy Republic Day in advance.
Happy Republic
Thank you,
Day,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you, sir. Happy Republic Day.
Okay, thanks everyone for taking out time on your off day and helping today make a day more beautiful and fruitful. So happy Republic Day to all of you. Thank you so much for joining the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Same
Thank
to
you,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a nice week. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.